Before this video starts, make sure to subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and like the video if you enjoyed it. Now, let's get into the video. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be, screw that. Today we're gonna be playing, some more Ragdoll Sim because now they added a new update where now you can have combat. You can punch and you can kick. You can kick, thank you. And yeah, so basically, I bought some stuff from Robux just to become. I did I did this a long time ago, but we're annoyed people. Like that. We're gonna be annoying people in this video. That's all. Shoot! How can I not? Hold up. Work. Pick up. Oh, I wanted to pick them up. Alright, RPG. I'm gonna use it to explode somebody, but I don't know who. So I don't see anybody. Oh. Where are you going? Rocket! Oh, right in the nose. Oh! Oh, yeah, try, bro. You get. Oh, Rhino. Oh. Nope. Okay, fine. Let's see. Jetpack. What the heck? My jetpack. Jetpack. Click and hold. Oh, I need to hold the screen. Oh. Woo! This is boring. This is literally so stupid, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. What? Take me a boost. Far away we go. Oh. Alright, anybody over here? Oh. RPG. Go. Get over here. Go. Oh, she's too fast. Oh yeah. Oh, we're gonna blow her. Well, I exploded myself, but at least I got that person over there. Bye, sucker. Come back. Come on, bro. Oh, hello there, sir. It's good to see you today. Bye. Whee! Ooh. Time to drive me a car. Drive. Never mind. That car is stuck. See ya. Oh dang it! Oh no. Wow, this game got updated big time. What's the chat saying? Oh. Wait. Oh. This is the drive forward button. Oh. Get over here. Oh. Oh no. You trying to fight people? You trying to steal my time, bro? No. Oh. I don't. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh no. Come on, fly up. Fly up. Very slowly. We're going up. We are going up. Be up. Oh yeah. Push you! Ow! Get over here, bro. Get on. Yes, sucker! Whee! Hey, hey! Oh! Come on. Bro, what's up? What's up, bros? Oh, I got us all. Woo! Oh. Oh! What's over here at sea? Oh! Explosion! He on fire. Oh! Oh! Come on, bro. Huh? Huh? Scare me now? I don't think so. Cause you burned to the ground. I'm gonna just do the speed glitch. Like, just spam it. Cancel. Now I'm going, I think I'm going faster. I don't know. Whee! Wait. Is that a weight thing? I never saw that. Am I blind? Did I literally not see that before? Hold up. No. Over here. Oh, for the big dude. What's up, man? Oh. Let's see. At least literally. Can you actually? No joke. Can you actually pick these ways up? Oh, dang, bro. Oh, yeah. You know what time it is. We're gonna whack. Toss. Like that. So, punching. Pick up. Let's go. Let's go, bro. We're going on a walk. We're going on an adventure. You know, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna Oh! Oh! Oh no! I glitched her. I glitched her out. Hey, sorry about that. I didn't pick up. Oh gosh. Oh, no. Well, they reset. Oh, I want to find an AFK person so I can actually. Oh no. Maybe do the. Oh. Who's over here? Oh. It's you, idiot. Come on. I'm not scared of you, bro. Oh! Oh, you trying to scare me, huh? Huh? You running away? Come on. Come on, bro. Okay, you want. Oh, it's an RPG fight, huh? Oh, that's right. Oh, who shot me? Oh, he got me. But I still got. Ooh. She AFK. Boom, AFK. Let me pick you up. Let's go. Ah! My girl. Let's go on a walk together, woman. Come on. No. Pick up. Go. He after us. He trying to steal us. No. Woman, no! Oh, no! Oh! Oh, my God, woman. Oh, God. She's trying to grow. You can't leave me. Even though I don't like you, you're ugly as flip. But, like, come on. You know what? You want to go? Then go away from me. All right. No, are you serious? Let's see. Fly, Sylvania! What's up, y'all? How about get a kick it up? Oh, face! Ooh. Does he not even know who shot that? Oh, see ya. Hey, I'm not protecting you. You gotta go too, man. Yeah, you gotta go. Oh, I'm huge. I didn't expect to go this big. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna try and move across. Hammer. Oh no. No. I want to lift some weights. You know, we gotta get buff. Alright, I think I'm big enough to actually pick the oh no. Oh no, that's bad. Maybe I need to grow a little bit more. Bro, I literally have my PvP off. You cannot even throw that at me, dude. Or maybe I'll make myself a little bit speedy. I'm going a bit slow, become big. Oh, I can definitely pick up this one. Can I? Oh, wait, do I need to turn off PvP? I'm probably going to get so bored if I turn it off. But you never know. Maybe not. You know, people are nice these days. No one would hit me. Even though that guy tried to because he wasn't nice. But besides him, others are nice. Even though I showed him not nice. If I can. Pick this stupid weight up. You know what? Screw it. Hello? We got a runner. Oh, that went opposite way. Come on. You're not even trying. You know what? Hold up. Snowball. Snowball. Ugh! Slow-mo. Let's see, bouncy room? I want to go in the bouncy room, but first I gotta die. I move. I oofed. Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh, the music's back on. I feel like the music is louder than me, which I hope not. What the heck? But anyways, you know, that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications. And you better turn on those post notifications. And you don't have to, but I'd really appreciate it if you did, because it'd be the best, literally. But anyways, we are more than halfway through the getting the 300 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna be sick. Oh shoot. Oh god. Thank you so much. I did not expect us to get this far so soon. Hopefully I can get out of here. But yeah, if you want me to annoy people way more like this, then just like the video. Maybe I will. I don't know. You know, this music. No, it got to go. But anyways, until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys. Bye-bye.